Discover the difference, quality that speaks for itself. Built to last, designed to impress. Upgrade your everyday, because you deserve more. Experience innovation like never before. Don't settle for less, choose what's best. Smart, sleek, and made just for you. Because your lifestyle demands the best. From function to fashion, it's all in one. It's not just a product, it's a revolution. Affordable luxury, unmatched performance. Turn heads, make a statement, own it. Small price, big impact. Engineered to exceed expectations. Step up your game with cutting-edge design. Where technology meets style. Simplify your life, one product at a time. Be bold, be different, be unforgettable. Click, buy, smile. It's that easy.